Hey guys, today we're going to be looking at the quadratic formula and the discriminant. Here we're going to use the quadratic formula to find the solutions of x squared minus 21 equals 4x. We're going to begin by writing our equation in standard form, which means that all my terms are on the left set equal to 0. So what I do not like is that the 4x is on the right side, so I'm going to do the additive inverse and subtract 4x from both sides, which leaves me with x squared minus 4x minus 21 equal to 0. I'm now going to substitute my values for a, b, and c into my quadratic formula. But what are my a, b, and c? As you'll see in the formula, we have ax squared plus bx plus c. So my a term is in front of the x squared, which is 1. My b term is in front of my x, which is negative 4. And my c term is negative 21. I'm going to plug those terms into my quadratic formula. We now have the opposite of b being negative 4, so it's the opposite of negative 4, plus or minus the square root of negative 4 squared minus 4 times 1 times negative 21, all over 2 times 1. We can simplify this to become 4 plus or minus the square root of 100, all over 2. The square root of 100 can simplify, and we get 4 plus minus 10 divided by 2. We now will have two possible solutions. We're going to have a positive and a negative. So we're going to have 4 plus 10 divided by 2 and 4 minus 10 divided by 2. 4 plus 10 divided by 2 becomes 14 divided by 2 is 7. And 4 minus 10 is negative 6 divided by 2 is negative 3. So my two solutions is x equals negative 3, 7. Let's go and take a look at the discriminant. Now the discriminant is actually inside of your quadratic formula. As you'll see, we're using the b squared minus 4ac. This is strictly to find how many solutions does my equation have. So if we're going to use the same equation, we have x squared minus 21 equals 4x. Again, our goal is to get it into the standard form, get it set equal to 0. Then we're going to plug my a, b, and c term into the discriminant. So we end up with negative 4 squared minus 4 times 1 times negative 21. Negative 4 squared becomes 16. Negative 4 times 1 is negative 4 times negative 21 is positive 84. 16 plus 84 is 100. And now we strictly need to look at what our solution came out to. If our solution comes out as a positive number, which this is, that means I have two solutions. If my solution came out to 0, I would have one solution, and if it was a negative number, I would have no solutions. Hope this helps. Let me know if you have any questions or comments below. Please feel free to subscribe and have a great day.